What's going on, everybody? This is Christopher here. Welcome back. And today I'm going to be doing a food review today. And this food review I'm going to review on is on the Supreme. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's on the Doritos Supreme Cheddar. This came from a church nearby where my mom volunteers, and it's kind of big. Let's be real on that. So I'm probably not going to eat that much of that. But just for the sake of this, I'm going to try just a few of this on camera. It has 150 calories. It has 9 grams of fat. 9 grams of total fat. It's 0 grams of cholesterol, 210 milligrams of sodium, and total carbohydrates 16, and 2 proteins of sugar. So let's see what the texture looks like. Smells like Smell like the nacho cheese Dorito. Smells really nice. Look at the texture. I mean, from the looks of this, the texture looks like the regular nacho cheese. I mean, I need to set this down because this is kind of big. So let's get this started. Let's see how it tastes. 3, 2, 1. Tastes like regular nachos. Tastes like the regular nacho cheese Dorito, pretty much. Let's get another one just to be sure. Flavorly. Kinda good. Give another shot here. Alright, one more go and I'll give it to my recommendation. Alright. I recommend that you guys do get this chip. It kind of tastes like nacho cheese. Kind of tastes like the regular nacho cheese, to be honest. But other than that, it is pretty good, It is pretty good. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this food review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video coming soon. Oh yeah, stick around on my channel later today for the next episode of my Q&A. Stick around for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video coming soon. Peace out.